f of x is equal to x minus 4 times x squared minus 3x plus k, take away 40, where k is a constant, which we need to determine. Given that x plus 2 is a factor of f of x, find the value of k. The fact that x plus 2 is a factor of f of x, by the factor theorem, tells us that f of negative 2 is equal to 0. And we can use this to find the value of k. So f of negative 2 is equal to, let's substitute negative 2 in for x. We've got negative 2 take away 4. Negative 2 squared is 4. Take away 3 times negative 2 plus k, take away 42. And we know that that's all going to come to 0. So that's negative 6 into 4 plus 6 plus k is equal to 42. Dividing both sides by negative 6 gives us 10 plus k is equal to negative 7. Subtract 10 from each side and we get k is negative 17.